Dialogue. Work problems.
Hey, you look worried. Everything okay?
Do you have a minute? I really need to talk to someone.
Sure, what's going on?
I'm just overwhelmed. I have too much work and tight deadlines, and my manager keeps adding new tasks every day.
That sounds really stressful. Have you talked to him about it?
Not really. I don't want to look unprofessional or like I can't handle my job.
I get that. But setting boundaries doesn't make you unprofessional. It shows you're responsible.
Maybe, but I also feel like I'm falling behind.
Then, maybe you should prioritize. Focus on the most important tasks first and let the rest wait.
I try, but I still feel like I'm drowning.
Actually, I have an idea. How about we go through your tasks together? Maybe I can help you organize them.
Really? That would help a lot.
Of course, you're not alone. We're a team.
Thanks, Mark. I already feel a bit better. Talking to you really helps me sort things out.
Vocabulary explanation.
Overwhelmed means that you are feeling like you have too much to do and you can't manage it. Examples: I'm completely overwhelmed with work at the moment. I felt overwhelmed in my first weeks as a new parent. Tight deadlines. Tight deadlines mean that you are having to finish tasks in a short time. Examples: I'm working under tight deadlines, so I can't take a break right now. The project has tight deadlines, and we need to finish everything by Friday. Unprofessional. Unprofessional means not behaving in a professional or appropriate way at work. Examples: It's unprofessional to be late every day. She spoke to the client in an unprofessional way. Boundaries. Boundaries are rules or limits you set to protect your time, energy, or feelings. Examples: We set firm boundaries, and if the children cross them, there will be consequences. You need to set boundaries and say no when you can't take more tasks.
Prioritize. Prioritize means to put in order of importance. Examples: Please prioritize the things you want me to do. At work, we prioritize urgent emails first.
Drowning. Drowning literally means dying because you are underwater and can't breathe. But figuratively, it means having too much work or too much stress. Examples: She can't swim well and was afraid of drowning. I'm drowning in work this week. Go through something means to experience a difficult or unpleasant situation. Examples: I apologize for what you had to go through. She's gone through a lot in order to achieve what she has. Sort something out means to organize or fix something. Examples: I need to sort out my desk. It's a mess. Talking to you helps me sort things out.
Thanks for watching Enjoyable English Lab. If you enjoyed this video, tell me in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, like, share and subscribe.